Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend to press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you once that I've uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, there is that thumbs up pillow behind me to remind you guys that it's important on the YouTube platform for you to hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying the content of a creator. It is important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. All right. Okay. Today, I'm really excited to share with you, I got the Ipsy $12, what I call the starter bag. This is a fantastic way to start to find out if you enjoy getting subscription box every month, because Ipsy, like I said, is $12. It is 5 products that you will get in here. It used to be solely 5 sample sizes, but sometimes they throw in a full size in there as well. You also get a bag in every one of the $12 bags, plus it is not included in the 5 count of the product. So this is pretty much like your 6th item that you're going to get in the bag. By getting this $12 bag, for me, it's a great way to see, like I said, if you like receiving monthly bags, but also it's a great entrance into the Ipsy family, because by getting this bag, you also have access to the add-ons, the flash sales, and everything else that Ipsy has to offer. So to me, this is an absolute win-win, and it's a great way, like I said, to know if you enjoy getting products monthly in the mail. So this is the canvas bag that comes with this $12 bag. It has the cute lips as the zipper. These are always good quality bags. They are fully lined, and this one has inside of it this saying that says force of nature, and of course you have the Ipsy logo inside. I enjoy these bags so much, and they change the designs every single month, so really happy to get this. All right. In there, you also get a card. In the card, in the $12 bag, they usually do have the list of what the items here. It also tells you what is the full size, as well as what are the deluxe sample sizes, and it will give you the price usually of the manufacturer suggested retail of the full size, even if the deluxe sample is in here. So really happy that they do that as well. I also, because we don't always get a card with some pricing, have my own notes on here, because sometimes on Ipsy's website, they also give us discounts, and I will make sure to leave all of that in the description box down below. All right, so let's get started to see what I chose, as well as the items that they chose for me in this bag. The first item was the one that I was most excited about, and this was my choice item. This is a full-size $17 brush. But the design of this brush is what really intrigued me, because I'm really not that familiar with this brand. The brand is called Beau Gachis. It is a concealer perfecting brush. There's also a promo code for this, which I said I'll leave down below in the description box. And this is a $17 brush in a $12 bag. So this more than pays for the bag. Like I said, this is an absolute win of a subscription. So this one, they're saying it is a makeup brush for concealer. They're saying it is made with a densely packed synthetic bristles and a 40-degree angle that hugs the contours of your face. This brush is the perfect tool for applying and blending concealers around your eyes, your nose, and your lips. And it is such a luxurious brush. This is what I could not wait to get this bag, to see what this was all about. And it's even beating my expectations. So excited about this. So the other thing that they wrote here is use it to dab on your concealer, then blend in a sweeping motion. It's made with a lightweight bamboo handle, and it's 100% synthetic brush hairs. And they're saying this brand strives to design and create high quality products that are accessible to everyone and everywhere. And like I said, it is so impressive. Really happy to get that. The next item that they chose for me is a lip balm, and it is from a brand called Eco Lips. It says it is a protect your lip balm in vanilla lavender. There's also a discount code for this, which I will leave in the description box down below. This is considered also a full-size item. So far we have 2 full-size items in the sample bag. This is made with a blend of organic plant-based ingredients like golden jojoba oil, coconut butter, and coconut oil. It has a nourishing balm that heals dry, chapped lips in just a few swipes. Plus, it is infused with pumpkin seed extract to protect your delicate lips from free radical damage. They're saying you should apply it to dry, chapped lips whenever they need moisture. It's a lip balm. So they're saying it is a cruelty-free and made with all natural ingredients. And they're saying this line is eco-friendly and it's packed in the brand's exclusive plant pod that's 100% plastic free. Plus their production facility runs solely on solar power. Is that not amazing? So that's this new brand that we're learning about called Eco Lips. The next item that they chose for me is from HEYHONEY. And HEYHONEY is a brand that I got introduced to, believe it or not, from Ipsy. And it was one of the items that I bought in the shopper, and it was a fantastic group of products, and it was all full size. So I really got to try the product in its full size, and it really impressed me. HEYHONEY is a little bit more expensive brand, so if you have the opportunity to try the products to see if your skin enjoys it, the sample sizes are usually the best way to go. This one is called Boost It Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. There is a discount code for this as well. This is the deluxe sample size, and it is a face moisturizer. They're saying it is a luxurious cream that plumps, brightens, and moisturizes to give dry, dull looking skin a dewy glow. Plus it's infused with honey to minimize the redness and inflammation. It massages it into your clean skin in an upward motion. They're saying it's also cruelty free and it's never tested on animals. Their products are infused with honey, and it's one of the most potent antiseptics and antibacterial ingredients on the planet. And they always love to remind us that it's Cleopatra that was the one that introduced that to us. This has a safety seal on here, and I'm going to see if I can peel it back just a bit. Yeah, it has a bit of a rose scent. So for me, that's something that I don't usually enjoy, but I'll be able to know if I'll be able to tolerate it in, like I said, the smaller sample size. And that's what the moisturizer looks like there. And my skin just drank it in. That's what that looks like there. So like I said, it has that rose scent that for me is not one of my favorites, but I'll have to read more about the ingredients in here and see what it's all about. So that's what this item is here. The next item is one that I cannot wait to share with you guys. This is from Milk Makeup. It is their Kush mascara, and we got it in the sample size. I've already had the opportunity to try this product, and I pulled it from my stash because if you haven't seen the Hello bag that I got from Sephora, I will leave that linked down below. This product was one of the products that was in that $10 bag, and really had the opportunity to use this more than once, and I seem to be gravitating more and more towards it. I've also received in the Boxy pop-up the primer from Milk Makeup, and I bought a backup of it because I was so impressed with it. But this is how gorgeous the brush is on this product. It gives you the longest lashes. It never feels crispy. It's just, you don't even feel like you're wearing mascara when you put this on. And when you put it on, there's something very luxurious about this. I have been impressed so much with this Milk Makeup brand. Between BoxyCharm and Ipsy, I've had the opportunity to try so much from this brand, and I have not been disappointed in any product yet, including this. Also, what I always tell you about the mascaras, the mini samples are the best way to try mascaras because the brush that's inside is usually the exact same as what's in the full size, plus the formula inside is the same as well. So you really get to know, if you see these in the $3 section at Ipsy, these are definitely ones that I always tell you guys to grab. So this one here, it says no lashes left behind. It is a conditioning mascara that's infused with hemp that's derived from cannabis oil to make your lashes long and lush. It is a heart-shaped fibers that lock onto your lashes to add major volume and lift. Plus, it is a tapered brush that has a crisscross bristle that coats every lash from the roots to the ends. If you hold the wand horizontally, then wiggle through the lashes from the roots to the ends, then you could turn it vertically to coat your lower lashes, and that's exactly what I did. They're saying it's 100% vegan and paraben free. They're saying Milk Makeup is unique. Their products are unique because they're made with good for you ingredients, and they deliver epic payoff, and you will get serious results. So like I said, really happy that I have the opportunity to try that. And then the last item that I got in here, and then I'm going to tell you what the full size prices are on this because I'm going to pull that information from the card. This here is what I received, and it's from this brand called PYT Beauty. They're saying it is an Upcycle eyeshadow palette that is, the shades that I got are Warm Lit Nude Midi in Sand Dune, Slow Burn, Bonfire, and Golden Hour. This is considered a deluxe sample, and the eyeshadow palette, they're saying this set normally has 12 matte and shimmer shadows in warm tones that will take you from day to night. Each shade is highly pigmented, it blends easily, and is infused with vitamin E to keep the delicate skin on your lids hydrated and comfy. You can mix and match or layer these shades to create a custom eye look. It's animal friendly, free from harsh chemicals, and made with post-consumer recycled plastic. They're saying PYT Beauty believes that leaving out harsh chemicals, parabens, and more in all their products is the right thing to do. So that's what this looks like here. Those are the 4 shades here. And I also pulled out another one that I've received in the past. So I'm going to show you this one here, and we'll definitely swatch it so we can see what it's all about. But I've received in the past another one from the same brand, and I'm just going to show you because this one is called Day to Night, and I just wanted to show you guys the difference. So that's what those look like here. So if you have this one, the colors are completely different, but there are, to me, this brown is you know, in between the browns that's on here. So like I said, this is a new brand to me. I did receive this, I think, in the $3 section, and this is what they chose for me as one of them in my, I wasn't sure if it was one that I already had. That's why I went to see the colors that I had there to know if it was something that I was going to swatch for you or swatch from my stash. So that's what this looks like here. The brown one is going on a little patchy, but it might be because I put it right over the moisturizer that maybe hasn't, you know, completely sunk in. But that's what the 4 shades look like here. Really, really pretty. These are the type of colors that I gravitate to. And I always like these little quads because they're easy to travel with and always easy to have in your purse if you need to touch up a little something. This is what I always like to take with me. So let's double check and just see what some of the full size of the products are. So this we already knew was full size, and that was $17. This one is also full size, and this one they're saying the price of this is $3.49. The price of the Hey Honey in the full size, which they're saying is a 60 or 50 ml, is $51. The price of the full size of the Milk Makeup, which is a 10 ml, is $24. And the full size of that palette would be $28. So like I said, to me, this is one of the best products that I've had the opportunity to the best subscription bag that I always suggest if you're not getting bags. This was one that when I upped to the Plus, when they originally started that, you weren't able to get the GLAM bag, and I really, really missed it. I almost set up a second account to continue to get it, and then they allowed me to get the Plus and the GLAM. So I'm really, really happy with it. The other thing I wanted to share with you guys is I've had the opportunity to test a product of a primer prior to filming today, earlier today, and is the one that's in the BoxyCharm box. And I've only received my base box so far, so one of my base boxes. And this was the product that I chose to try as my primer today. And this is the Icy Sherbet Primer by Touch and Soul. If you see this and you don't get this in your bag or your boxes from BoxyCharm, when the add-on sale happens, this is one that, you know, based on what the price is and if it's something that you're interested in, I would recommend. There is something really unique about this product. I'm trying to get the safety lid off here. And this is what it looks like here. It has a cooling effect to it, but the consistency of the product is really, really unique. And I saw that when I opened it, and I'll leave that video down below as well. So if you haven't seen my opening of the base box, it was a fantastic box. But this went on and you felt immediate hydration. It was not sticky, but it took a good minute for it to go into the skin, and it left my skin really feeling like those silicone primers, yet there's no silicone in this at all. So definitely one that if you do see it in the pop-up, if you haven't had the opportunity, or the add-ons, whatever it's going to be this month, definitely this is one that I would recommend out of the products that I received. This was the one that I was most intrigued to try right away, and I wanted to make sure to mention it to you guys. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that all of us continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.